Okay, building off that where query now, we can bring our statement back from table 2. There we go. So let's do a where the primary currency equals GBP. Okay. So then in this case, we've got 2 results back, but one of the relationships is customer and one of them supplier. But in this case, we're only interested in the customer. So we just say specifically customer. So it's only going to give us that one back now, which is really good for filtering out data. Otherwise, you can end up with loads of information. Or in this case, we could say where the primary currency equals GBP and the relationship is customer, or we could say if the primary currency is CNY. And then it's also going to return CNY, even though we specifically said customer and this is a supplier, because we've specifically said or primary currency is CNY. So it will look for that actively and return it as well.